Today I'm going to be going to the Dollar Tree to grab some of these craft square wood rounds. I purchased 3 of them. I'm also going to be grabbing some of these peel and stick. Oh my god, they have some beautiful patterns. Look at this one and that one. Oh wow, I think I picked one of each. So let's go ahead and start crafting. Look at this pattern, how beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and trace it, and once it's traced, then I'm going to come in with my scissors and I'm going to start cutting it. I'm definitely painting half of it. So I'm taking this pen and I'm just creating a couple of lines so I can have an idea of where to start painting. And to the other half, I will be adding a peel and stick from Dollar Tree. After peeling it, then I aligned it to the wood round. Then I just set it down, and little by little I just kept rubbing it, making sure that it would adhere. And of course I took this wreath, making sure that it looks nice and aligned. I'm gonna be using this wreath and I'm gonna be placing it right on top of that wood round. But before then, I'm covering it with plenty of hot glue, making sure that this is going to stay in place. I love this metallic gold paint. I really truly do love it. It's so beautiful. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting the entire wreath. Now, if I would do something different, I would have painted this before I glue it in place because I think it would have been easier. So FYI, just make sure that if you are going to be creating this, paint the wreath before you glue it in place. I love this gold ribbon. All I am going to be doing is peeling it and sticking it right here in the middle. And of course, if you follow me, you know that I have a ton of wood pieces. So with some hot glue, I'm going to be creating the legs. So I have 4 of these wood beads, and with some hot glue, I'm just going to be placing them, making sure that I give it some height. I also found these 2 snakes at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be cutting the tail and the head. I'm also going to be painting it with the metallic gold paint, and these will be the handles for the tray. And of course, after that is completely dry, I'm going to be using some hot glue. I'm going to be placing both of them right here. And then this is it. I'll show you the final review in a few seconds. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and move on with this second project. I paid 40%, and of course, this was a bargain. And I purchased every single one of them that they had on sale. I'm going to be removing the jute cord and also the peel and stick. I'm going to be tracing it, cutting it to size. I'm going to be painting half of this wood round with this metallic gold paint. Once this is completely dry, then I will go ahead on and proceed to add the peel and stick. And my dear friends, today is another wood round or Wreath Wednesday. This is being hosted by my dear friend Loli from Loli This Creation and myself. And the guest host today is Donna from the Crayola Crafter. Loli is such a good heart person. She's always willing to help everyone, and she is so talented. And Donna, you cannot miss her projects. She is amazing. Make sure to visit these talented creators and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking, and let them know that I send you. And of course, this was self-explanatory. I added the peel and stick and also the gold ribbon. And this believe word, I'm going to be giving it only 1 coat with the same metallic gold paint. And once it's completely dry, then I'm going to come in with a lot of hot glue, and then I'm going to be placing it right on the wood round. And these little mirrors, I found them at Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and cut strips, and then I'm going to be placing it around the entire wood round.
Hey friends, come take a look. We're crafting today with rounds and wood. Peel and stick, it's easy and slick. Making it pretty with just a few tricks. We're teaming up. It's time to shine with Lolly's Creations, bringing the design.
I'm also going to be taking this peel and stick leaves from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be placing it right up here, only because I thought that it was looking a little bit plain. And look at how gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Making it pretty with just a few tricks. We're teaming up. It's time to shine with Lolly's Creations, bringing the design. And Dana's here with that Crayola flair. So much creativity in the air. So grab your glue.
This wood round and I painted it with white chalk paint. Once that was done, then I came in with more peeling stick. I cut a small piece, and then that small piece I'm going to be placing it right on top of that wood round, and I'm going to be creating exactly the same thing as I've been doing on the other two projects. I'm going to be placing it on the middle. Then once that was put in place, I came in with my finger knife and I cut the excess off. I also purchased the metallic silver tape from Temu, and look at this. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it. I'll be placing it right in the middle just to hide all the imperfection. Once that is in place, and of course I'm gonna come in with my scissors, cut the excess tape off. This is so pretty. I really like this one. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and paint these butterflies in black. Once they're done, then I'm gonna put them to the side. Then I'm gonna come in with my drill, and I'm going to be drilling a hole right here because this is going to be a garland. And once the hole is completely put in place, of course, then this garland I made it for a different project, but you know, I'm not using it, so I'm just going to eliminate a couple of these wood beads, the clay that I used. If you are interested in watching how I created this garland, I'll be leaving a link down below in my description box so you could go ahead and enjoy that video. Then I am coming in and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie everything together. And here it is, my dear friends. Everything is nice and dry, so I just came in with some hot glue and I'm putting them right up here. Look at how gorgeous. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I purchased this at Michael's, and this came in a grab bag, about 5 or 6 of them. I have crafted with some of these in the past, but for this one I'm giving it one entire coat of this white chalk paint. I also added some baking soda. I purchased these transferable stickers and they are Northern Cardinals. I did not realize that these are made for Christmas. After I placed them in the wood round, then I noticed, but no big deal because I fixed it really quick. So what I did is, because I had all of this painted, I was afraid that if I put the whole entire sticker, the white paint will be removed once I remove the sticker. So I cut it as closest to the picture as possible. And then of course I went on and I removed the plastic. This plastic was really sticky, and yes, some of the white paint was coming through, but you know, I kind of maneuver and it was pretty clean. As you can tell, the transfer went pretty smooth. After I took my time to do this transfer, I mean the best possible so it wouldn't, you know, lift the white paint, I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh my god, this has poinsettias. This is made for Christmas. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, am I gonna go ahead and leave this piece for Christmas in July? Then I said, I'm gonna come in with some white chalk paint and I'm going to start painting over everything that is a poinsettia, including the little red berries, and watch what I'm gonna be doing. After I was done painting all the sections that I did not want to be exposed, I came in with some window clings from Easter and I just started adding these beautiful flowers here and there. Look at how beautiful this looks. So I was thinking about adding maybe a word on top like welcome or something, but then I thought, no, I'm just gonna go ahead and distress the entire piece. And I thought this came out absolutely gorgeous. And the color that I'm using to distress this is called Khaki, and it is made from Apple Barrel. I also want to thank you for stopping by and clicking into my channel. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this piece. I was thinking about also adding a little bow, but I left it as is. I think I am liking it this simple.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.